wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 7 best diaper sprayers. Let's get started with the list. At number 7, the Bumworks toilet kit is all about simplicity. This chrome-plated brass model arrives with everything you need to get started in minutes, and you can store it out of the way on a base that conveniently hangs from under the cistern lid. It doesn't require any drilling, but the hose could be a bit longer, and it falls out of the holder easily. At number 6, the Aquaus 360 Rinseworks comes with 4 different length heads and 2 different sizes, offering you a lot of versatility in use and installation. It features a simple thumb knob that allows you to control the water flow as you rinse away any mess. It can be set to a specific pressure and hooks onto the toilet tank. However, the spray heads are plastic. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Willsland slide and set allows you to change pressure on the nozzle, and once set, it provides a constant stream without having to press a trigger the whole time. You can further customize the flow by rotating the head to choose a jet or stream mode. It includes a flexible stainless steel hose and is ideal for bathing pets too, but note that the jet mode is too strong for bidet use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for diaper sprayers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the heavy-duty Sun T Adjustable has a sliding knob at your fingertips to start the water flow and control its speed and output. The hose is encased in flexible steel, while inside the strong polymer is infused with braided nylon that won't burst. The robust T-valve can be left open, and this one can be mounted on the toilet or a wall. However, some find the sliding valve awkward. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're not looking for the typical brushed nickel or polished chrome finish, the wipphs bidet provides a coordinated look for homes with gold-toned faucets. The hose and fittings are also gold, and the aerator turns so you can vary the water flow. It is also available in black and nickel. At number 2, the Smarter Fresh handheld features an adjustable pressure, including a full-force jet option for the worst messes. Its inner trigger is made of high-quality brass, and the entire unit is guaranteed not to leak or lose water pressure. It offers a 10-minute installation, a stainless steel finish, and a hose that doesn't kink. And taking the top spot on our list, the Spray Power Cloth Bundle is a full solution that includes an all-important splatter shield to keep all messes nicely contained. It helps to prevent the spread of germs and is BPA and phthalate free. The guard folds flat for easy storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for diaper sprayers, or simply click beneath this video.